Hello, you guys, and welcome back or welcome to our channel, The 13th Stance. And the topic of today's lesson is introducing yourself as a legal professional. What exactly you will learn today? You will learn how to introduce yourself professionally as a legal professional in English, 12 key vocabulary words with phonetics, grammar, present simple, present continuous for current work, and how to describe your work, your role, your practice area, and what exactly you're currently working on. І хвилинка організаційного моменту, якщо раптом ви захочете знайти цей веркшіт та набагато більше контенту освітнього від нас, то ви можете знайти його в нашому телеграмі або інших соціальних мережах. Ми всюди підписані The 13 Stance. Ну і відповідно ви можете просканувати цей QR-кодик і пройти в наш телеграм-канал. So let's continue. Let's start with the vocabulary. The first one is a lawyer. Lawyer is a general term for someone who is qualified to practice law. She works as a lawyer at an international law firm. Solicitor. Solicitor is a lawyer who advises clients and prepares legal documents in the UK, in the United Kingdom. He is a solicitor specializing in commercial contracts. Barrister. Barrister is a lawyer who represents clients in court in the UK. The barrister presented the case before the High Court. Before in here means as if in this court. Counsel. Counsel is a lawyer, legal advisor, and it also could be used as a verb, meaning to advise. She acts as a legal counsel for a multinational corporation. Paralegal. Paralegal is a trained legal assistant who supports qualified lawyers. As a paralegal, I prepare documents and conduct research. Legal department. The in-house team of lawyers within a company. I work in the legal department of a tech company. In-house. In-house is working directly for a company rather than at a law firm. She moved from private practice to an in-house role. Firm. Firm. A law firm is a company that provides legal services. He joined a top-tier firm in Kyiv after graduating. Yeah, top-tier means one of the best in Kyiv after graduating. Practice area. That's the field of law a lawyer specializes in. My practice area is corporate law and M&A. Basically merchant and acquisition. Specialize in. To focus your professional work on a specific area. I specialize in employment law and dispute resolution. Advice. To give professional legal guidance to a client. We advise clients on a cross-border contract negotiations. Currently working on. What you are doing in this moment in this period. I'm currently working on a major acquisition for a US client. You can take your time, go through these words once again, pause the video, read them in details, read the examples, read the meanings. Yep, take your time. There is no need to rush. Pause the video, look at it. Yeah, okay. Well, and let's continue. A little pro tip for you. In English-speaking legal environments, people rarely say my job is a lawyer. The more natural phrasing would be I work as a lawyer or I'm a solicitor specializing in something, something. Informal introductions. It would be better if you always mention your role, your organization type, whether it's a firm, in-house, public sector, and your practice area. This immediately tells people what you do and how you can help them if it's needed. So let's go on to some grammar. Present simple and present continuous for current work. So the structure is present simple. It is all about stable facts and regular responsibilities. It is something that is stable and it's true. For example, I work at a law firm in Kyiv. It is true, it's fact. I specialize in commercial contracts. Why not? Our team advises clients on the GDPR compliance. Why not? Present continuous, it is what is happening now. It is all about what is happening now or in this certain period in your life. So it could be like a year, a month, a week, a day. Not exactly right now, yeah? I'm currently working on a cross-border acquisition. We are negotiating the terms of a distribution agreement. I'm advising a client on an employment dispute right now. So to make it a bit more understandable and easier for you, basically, if I say, I am currently working on remodeling my bathroom, I mean it as in the spirit, because right now I'm talking to you, I'm in here, yeah? But I mean more like in this period, like this week, this month, for example, yeah? But if I say I remodel bathrooms, it will be like it's my job to remodel bathrooms, yeah? I believe such thing will be a bit more understandable, okay? So, let's go on. Some key phrases for legal professional introductions. Who you are. My name is, I'm based in, it's basically like I live and I work in, yeah? I'm qualified as a lawyer, Your role in organization. I work as a, I work at, in, I specialize in, I'm responsible for. And what exactly you are doing now? I'm currently working on, we're advising a client on, right now I'm dealing with, I'm currently acting for. Yep. And let's go on. Here we have some model introduction. I would ask you to read it and analyze it. Let's try. So, hello, my name is Irina. I'm a solicitor based in Kyiv, and I work at a mid-sized commercial law firm. My practice area is corporate law. I specialize in M&A transactions and joint venture agreements. I'm responsible for advising Ukrainian and international clients on cross-border deals. Right now, I'm working on a share purchase agreement for a client in the IT sector. It's a complex transaction involving parties from 3 jurisdictions. I'm really enjoying the work. It is exactly the kind of deal I trained for. So, I'm a solicitor. It is present simple for her stable role. I specialize in it's present simple for regular focus area. I'm responsible for advising. It is present simple for ongoing duty. I'm working on involving, it is a present continuous for her current case. And legal vocabulary used naturally, M&A, merchant acquisition, share purchase agreement, jurisdiction. Yep. And here are some common mistakes. I am work as a lawyer. I am work, which means you are work. You are the job. You are the work. That sounds a bit crazy. I work as a lawyer. Yeah. Currently, I'm working on a contract. There is something missing. I am currently working on a contract. I specialize in the corporate law. Corporate law is so general thing, general meaning, general area, so you do not need any article in that. I'm a lawyer at in-house. I'm an in-house lawyer, or I work in-house. I have an in-house role. Because in-house, it is an adjective or adverb. It is not a location. I work in a legal firm. I work at a legal firm, not exactly in, okay? And not legal firm, law firm, okay? And a little quick check. I'm going to give you 20 seconds to pause the video and complete these sentences with present simple and present continuous, and then we will check your answers. Take your time. So, starting now. I hope you're completing it. I hope you're on pause and you're completing it. Well, here we are. Your time is up. So, let's go. So, she works. That's her stable work as a paralegal at an international law firm. Right now, we are negotiating the final terms of the contract. He specializes. in employment law and HR disputes. I am currently advising a client on a data protection issue. Our legal department has 12 lawyers and 4 paralegals. Add a little speaking challenge. Here is the template. Could you please fill it with your legal information? And in the comments, could you introduce yourself as a legal professional in English? You can make it up, to be honest. There is no need to share your personal real info on the internet, so you can make it up and tell us your role, your organization, your practice area, and what you're currently working for. And it would be great if you used at least 4 words from today's lesson, okay? And then when it comes to workbook, I am not showing you any tasks in here, okay? You can go into our Telegram channel and get them there, okay? It is called the 13th stance, or you can scan this QR code and get it there, okay? Well, I was happy to see you today, guys, and I'm really hoping to see you next time. Stay safe and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.